So we're going to work on double angle identities today. Double angle identities. So our double angle identities are as follows. The sine of 2x is 2 times the sine of x times the cosine of x. The sine of 2x is 2 times the sine of x times the cosine of x. The cosine of 2x has 3 different ones. So I will list all 3 of them. It's cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x. Because you know cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. Well, cosine squared minus sine squared of x equals cosine of 2x. Cosine of 2x also equals 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. And also equals 1 minus 2 sine squared of x. Tangent of 2x equals 2 tangent of x over 1 minus tangent squared of x. Okay? Now, we ready? Okay, you already will know the answers to the problems before you start, but you're just displaying that you can use double angle identities. We all know the cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2. Okay, we know that. But we're going to show double angle identities on how to figure it out another way. So the cosine of 60 is the same as the cosine of 2 times 30. That's a cosine of 2x, right? So 30 is my magical number that I'm going to use in my formula. So I'm going to say this is equal to the cosine squared of 30 minus the sine squared of 30. Okay, the cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. We're going to square that. The sine of 30 is 1/2. We're going to square that. What's the square root of 3 squared? 3. 2 squared is 4. So 3/4 minus 1/4 equals 1/2. And we found our answer, which is a correct answer because we already knew before we started the problem the cosine of 60 was 1/2. And you say, well, why do we have to do this? Well, to practice double angle identity formulas. Okay? We're not going to have that many of them coming up in the future, but this is just a practice. What about the sine of 4 pi over 3? What does that equal to? Well, it's the same as the sine of 2 times 2 pi over 3, which is the same as 2 times the sine of our magic one, which is that one, 2 pi over 3, times the cosine of 2 pi over 3. The sine of 2 pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. The cosine of 2 pi over 3 is negative 1/2. 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1, so it's negative square root of 3 over 2. Nah, let's not do that one. That's a bad problem. Let's do the tangent of, what should we do the tangent of? Let's do 2 pi over 3. There we go. Tangent of 2 pi over 3, which is the tangent of 2 times pi over 3. And I don't even remember that formula. 2 tangent of x over 1 minus tangent squared of x. Which is 2 tangent of pi over 3 over 1 minus the tangent of pi over 3 squared. Tangent of pi over 3, we learned earlier today, is just square root of 3. That's why we use that instead of 30 degrees, which is square root of 3 over 3. So it's 1 minus square root of 3 squared. So it's 2 square root of 3 over 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So the answer is negative square root of 3. Page 193, 5 through 8 all.